Do you wake up tired, feeling as if you haven't slept at all? We've all experienced those restless nights. But true restoration is essential for a vibrant life and optimal health. Quality sleep is as crucial as good nutrition or exercise. It allows your body to repair itself and boosts your energy for daily challenges. Rest is vital for both physical and mental wellness. By prioritizing quality downtime, you can enhance focus and energy levels. Small adjustments to your routine can lead to significant improvements in your sleep quality. Understanding the science behind sleep is key to achieving restful nights. Our bodies engage in complex processes at night, repairing cells and consolidating memories. To improve sleep quality, we first need to understand our circadian rhythm, our body's natural clock influenced by light. Exposure to morning sunlight and dimming evening lights aligns our cycle, helping us sleep better. Lack of sleep has dire consequences. Chronic sleep deprivation disrupts our metabolism, increasing risks for obesity and diabetes. It also affects cognitive function and emotional regulation. Prioritizing quality sleep is essential for overall longevity and health. Building healthy sleep habits is crucial. A consistent sleep schedule enhances your internal clock, making sleep easier. Managing light exposure is essential. Bright sunlight in the morning raises alertness, while dimming lights in the evening promotes melatonin production. What we eat matters too. Avoid caffeine 8 hours before bed and heavy meals close to sleep. Light snacks are fine if you're hungry, while proper hydration throughout the day enhances sleep. Shopping for tools to aid sleep? Top-rated products include Restful, which aids occasional sleeplessness, the Coop home goods pillow for optimal support, and Electrofan, a white noise machine that masks disruptive sounds. Creating an ideal sleep environment is paramount. Aim for a room temperature of about 65 degrees. Minimize noise pollution with sound-dampening curtains or white noise machines. High-quality bedding also supports physical comfort, ensuring restful nights. Incorporating relaxation techniques into your routine helps ease the transition to sleep. Mindfulness practices, journaling, and deep breathing exercises calm your mind and body. A calming pre-sleep ritual signals your brain that it's time to rest. Your journey to improved sleep starts tonight. Small changes can lead to more energetic days. Share your favorite bedtime rituals and inspire others on their path to better health. Take control and prioritize your sleep. Remember, true restoration is within your reach.